Scattered rain is expected this week because of the two cold fronts that we're tracking this week. And that in turn is also going to help keep us cooler than normal for late August standards. In fact, that holds true through Labor Day, which is exciting. Okay, so here's that front. That front brought in quite a bit of a cool down to Oklahoma, as well as some showers and thunderstorms. We're not seeing that quite yet. We do see the temperatures in the 80s along the Red River, but that's really about it. We're not seeing any of the rain. Now, this will continue to work its way towards the south. This is showing you 7 this evening. And you see that front working its way into Denton, Wise, Collin County. Overnight, that front is going to continue to sink towards the south very slowly. And along that front, we could very well see an isolated shower or storm, mainly in western North Texas. The rest of us just see the cloud cover. It's not really until tomorrow morning, till about 6 or 7, that we see a couple of showers in North Texas behind this front. This front is going to linger very slowly to the south throughout the day on Tuesday, and depending on where that front lands is going to really bring quite a wide range of our high temperatures on Tuesday. So some could be in the low 90s, some could be in the mid 80s. DFW will be somewhere in the upper 80s for tomorrow afternoon. And that front will help generate some isolated showers and thunderstorms, only about 20% coverage. That front kind of lingers and washes out Wednesday, and that's what keeps slim rain chances in the forecast through Wednesday at about a 10% coverage. High temperatures as a result will be in the upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. That's about 5 to 6 degrees cooler than what's considered normal this time of the year. On Thursday, those temperatures climb a bit to the low 90s, about 93 degrees. That's still a whole degree cooler than what's considered normal. And our next front, the second one of the week, arrives late Thursday into Friday, and that's what's going to keep highs well below the normal for this time of the year. The second cold front this week is the strongest of the two cold fronts for this week. We could even see 10-degree cooler than normal temps on Saturday with a high near 84. Again, this also brings us a rain coverage close to about 20% on Tuesday, 10% Wednesday. It goes up to 30% very early Friday as that front is working its way in. And again, this is not going to be a washout by any means, but certainly something to be watching as this front works its way towards the south. Looks like my data froze there. There we go. As that front works its way towards the south around 2, 3 in the morning, we'll see our highest coverage of rain. I'm not expecting severe weather this week. I'm not expecting a lot of rain, less than an inch over the next 7 days. 75 degrees tonight, tomorrow a high near 88 with about 20% coverage of rain. And on the 14-day forecast, we're keeping a lot of 80s in the forecast. Saturday, 84, 85 on Sunday. For Labor Day on Monday, a high near 86. And right now it does look rain-free, and we stay in the 80s through the end of the month, Jason.